Hi, just to let you know, I applied the ArableONE 30 days ago, and I have a dramatic difference in the plants that I've seen. These were potted plants and plants that I added to my patio, and we have a substantial increase in not only the new growth, the color, especially the evergreen trees in front. They've now gone from a very sickly green to an actually vibrant green. The dramatic increase in the number of oranges that were nowhere to be found. In fact, my 2 orange trees were basically almost leafless, and now have substantially increased not only in the leaf growth, but an incredible amount of fruit hanging there, which I just find incredible. The lemons that we looked at before, they were yellow, looked ill. And with just one application of Arable, this has been only literally 30 days in one application, and there's a substantial increase. I can't wait to do it again and see how much more it flourishes.